Hello students, I am again here with one more important question for your Java interview preparation. What is the difference between array list and linked list in Java? See, this array list and linked list, these two data structures are provided by Java. Those can be used to store collection of data and again manipulate it. Means this array list and linked list, these are the two classes present in java.util package, and that is a part of collection framework. See, collection framework provides multiple classes to just store group of elements and manipulate that group of elements. One object of that collection framework class is representing a group. Means in C, C++ we have seen array concept. Again in Java also there is array concept. What is this array? Array is nothing but a group of similar kind of data elements. We always say like this. See, on that group, suppose you want to do any action, means suppose you want to just search any element from that group, if you want to just sort the elements, if you want to add the element, remove the element, then the whole code you have to write yourself. But this array list, linked list, again said, these are all ready-made data structures provided by Java. Those you can directly use. The time that you are consuming over like grouping the element and again manipulating it, that code will be reduced. You can directly use methods what are present inside that class to just work on that group of data. See here, suppose you have created one object of array list class. There you can just store any number of elements. Again you want to insert one more element inside that group, you can do that. You can remove element, you can just traverse through that list. Everything you can do with the help of methods present inside that array list. Getting? This is the overall collection framework concept. This collection framework is provided by Java and that is present inside java.util package. Getting? Now see, this array list and linked list, these two data structures are both linear data structures. In this array list class is implementing list interface. Means whatever methods present inside that list interface all are inside this array list. Again this linked list also implements the list interface, and whatever methods those are present inside that list interface are implemented inside this linked list also. Getting? This is just a similarity. Means see, array list and linked list both are the part of collection framework that is present inside java.util package. Both are linear data structures. Both are having add method, remove method, same methods which are present inside list interface. This is the similarity between array list and linked list. Actually linked list is not only implementing the list interface, it is also implementing the DQ interface. See, because there is concept like doubly linked list, that type of internal structure is there. Now let us see the difference between array list and linked list. This is very much important question for your Java interview preparation. Okay, first thing is, see, internally the underlying data structure for array list is dynamic array. See, you know array is a sequential data structure, linear data structure where all the elements are stored contiguously one after other. The same internal data structure is there for array list. Means if you have created one object of array list, internally that object will have multiple elements in it and those will be stored in a contiguous manner, sequential manner on contiguous memory locations. Getting? Only the difference is that static array and dynamic array. This array list is implementing the dynamic array. Means you can add any number of elements you want, you can remove any number of elements you want. There is no any restriction. Okay, that means the underlying data structure for this array list class is a dynamic array. Like this, see here, suppose you have initially 5 elements in it and here at this point you can add any number of elements. Again at middle, suppose you want to insert element, then you can do that with the help of add method. Now initially the capacity is like this. Suppose you want to add more elements, then this capacity can be easily increased. Okay, means automatically internally the memory block which is having fixed size, that will be allocated for this array, and the elements what are present currently, those will get copied inside that new block. Means automatically the memory size will be increased. In this way array list data structure is there, and here all the elements can be accessed with the help of index. Okay, here first element will have 0 index, second is 1 and so on. Getting? You can add element with the help of add method, you can remove element with the help of remove method, and there are too many other methods also inside this array list class. Now the underlying data structure for this linked list class is a doubly linked list. Now see, one object of this linked list is nothing but a collection of different nodes, and one node is like this. See, this is a node. It is having data part. Data is nothing but the actual data, like it may be integer, any string, it may be any character, one element of that group. Okay, that is nothing but data, and it will have reference to the next node and again previous node. See, initially it will not have any previous node, the first element will not have any previous node, that's why it is null. Okay, and the next node, next node, next node, in this way the data structure will be like this. Okay, and previous is holding the reference to the previous node. This type of data structure is there. Okay, this one is a previous and this one is a next. Okay, and here suppose data is staying here 20 in this way. Okay, and the last node will have null inside next part. This is just a doubly linked list data structure. That is a underlying data structure for this linked list. Okay, this linked list is having underlying data structure, that is doubly linked list, that is in this way. Getting? Now see, this is the second difference. For array list, the underlying data structure is a dynamic array, and for linked list the underlying data structure is a doubly linked list. Getting? Now see, here I have written two examples. First example is for array list, second is for linked list. Here I am creating one object of array list AL like this list. Here in angle bracket we have to just write data type of the elements, individual elements. Here string AL is the name of that object, then new array list in this way. See, here I have created one array list object, name is AL, and inside that array list I can add multiple elements of type string using add method, like al.add blue, al.add yellow, in this way. Getting? See, here I am not passing index while calling this add method. Automatically all the elements will be inserted at the end. Getting? There is one more method present, that is index and element, like this. Means you can pass index also. At that index the element will get added. Here we have created array list object and we have added multiple elements inside that array list, and finally I am just displaying the array list with the help of system.out.println. We will get this blue, yellow, red, this type of list displayed onto the output screen. In the same way I can create object of linked list class using linked list class, like this. L is the object and here linked list. See, here while creating reference I have used list, because here list interface both are implementing. Here I have added multiple elements inside that linked list. Here integer type linked list I am creating. Here see, here I have not written int, compulsory you have to write integer, that is a wrapper class. Okay, and finally I have displayed that LL, that is a linked list object. This is the way how we can create array list and linked list objects, and how we can add multiple elements in that, how we can display. Again, to remove the element you can again call remove method, which is present in both the classes, and for that you can pass index there. Okay, now this is the first difference. You can say how to create array list, how to create linked list. Second one is underlying data structure for array list is dynamic array, underlying data structure for linked list is a doubly linked list. Then third one is, see, initially I have told you that it implements only list interface, and this linked list implements two interfaces. First one is a list and second one is DQ. Okay, now the next point, which is very much important. See, if your main objective is only to store the elements and traverse through the list, or accessing the elements, random access is your main objective suppose, then array list is best choice. Getting? See, if you want to randomly access elements from the array list, then it is very easy because it is based on index. Index based data structure is there internally. That's why array list elements will be very easily accessed randomly. And here the time complexity for accessing the elements is big of 1 only, because index is there. Okay, index based access is there. That's why for random access the best choice is array list, and for insertion and removal of element this array list is the worst choice. Why? At any intermediate position, suppose you want to insert any element, Let this is the second position. Then what should be done here? Here the elements which are present inside second, third, fourth position should be shifted towards right, and whatever blank area there the element should be inserted. In this way shifting is necessary in case of array list, getting while inserting at any middle position or removing any element. But in case of linked list, suppose you want to do insertion or removal, then that is very easy, because here only whatever references those should be changed. Okay, that's why if your main requirement is only storing, traversing or accessing random elements, then you have to go for array list. This is the best choice. And if you want to just insert or remove elements, means manipulation is more, in that case go for linked list. That is the best choice, means that in that case linked list is better than array list. Getting C insertion and deletion if you want to do, then go for linked list, because it is faster in insertion and removal of elements. Time complexity for linked list for insertion and removal, that is big of 1. Again, if you want to just access any particular element, then you have to traverse through the whole list till that element. So here for traversing or for random access, the time complexity will be big of n in case of linked list. In case of array list, for insertion and removal, time complexity is big of n. Getting these are just differences between array list and linked list in Java. In the next session, we will see one more important question for your Java interview preparation. Till that, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.